There are those times when you realize you need to practice landings. And this is one of those. I haven't flown this plane in a while. I haven't flown a taildragger warbird in a while. It was a little rusty. So in this video, I'm going to go through a whole bunch of landings, talk through them as much as I can, just to kind of explain what I'm thinking when I'm doing this stuff. So, hope you enjoy. Stick around.
Gear up.
Backing off throttle, line her up, making a nice smooth turn. Coming in, backing off throttle a little bit more, leveling her off over the runway. Holding off. Ooh, just got her up. It's lined up a little wrong.
Flaps up. Gear up. Down. Landing flaps.
See about getting a good land in here. A good touch and go at least. No. Really slow her down and get that nose up. See if I can do a better one here. Set myself up for a little better success. Give myself a little more room. Cut back on throttle, slowing her down, keeping her off. A little rudder. There we go. Drift to the left. All right. Full flap, gear down. Make my approach, my turn, backing off throttle. Backing off throttle, getting that nose up. Full flap. Definitely not as smooth as I would like it to be.
Set some goals for yourself as well. You know, how should these look? And be realistic. They don't all have to be perfect. In fact, they're not going to be perfect. That's why you're practicing. And so, again, you know, I was having some that were good and some not so good. I think the point here is keep doing it.
Kick that rudder a little bit. Not lining up perfect. Try to get her to slow down just a little bit more. CG is pretty neutral. It's not a problem with that.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I like that one right down the middle.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Backing off throttle. Making my turn. A little tight turn here. A little tighter than I would normally want to make. Not giving myself a whole lot of room.
Be prepared to get on that rudder. You know, sometimes these planes will shift a little bit as you're accelerating such, so be handy with the rudder.
Torque on that motor is quite a bit. There we go, bringing her in. Backing off throttle. Lifting that nose up.
A little word of caution. If you get a little sideways like I'm doing, do not punch that throttle. It will cause some issues. You're going to torque that thing. It's going to go sideways and become problematic.
Backing off throttle. Right around half throttle. Full flap. Backing down lower about third throttle.
You'll notice when on final landings, when that tail sticks down, I give full up elevator to plant that tail so I can steer better.
Landing flaps.
All right. See if I can get a good landing here. Give myself enough room.
20 seconds.
Backing off throttle. Playing with the elevator. Throttle a little bit. Line her up with the rudder. Not a great landing. Not a great land. A little bouncy right there.
Like a lot of planes, when you give that bounce like I did there, just a little bit of throttle, not full throttle, a little bit of throttle helps smooth it out and gets it down without bouncing it all over the place. It just takes practice. I need to practice more. All of us do. Just a reminder. Have a great day. Take care.